What's up, folks? Derek coming back with you. Another great quick recipe this evening in the cooler. Just got off work. Figured I wanted a nice little snack. So I'm gonna make two for you just using blocks of cream cheese on the Traeger at about 225 degrees for about an hour and a half. I'm gonna do one block of cream cheese with cinnamon and Splenda or sugar. And that's gonna be the dessert time where you could cut it, dip strawberries in it, all that kind of good stuff. And then I'm gonna do another one with a little smokehouse maple seasoning on it, where that way you can do a little dip chips in it, crackers, all that kind of stuff. So you can use it for just about anything. But I'm gonna use it as a dip, not a buffalo dip, not all that kind of dip, just cream cheese with seasoning. And you can take it and dip crackers, and I'm telling you, it's just gonna taste absolutely wonderful. So what I'm doing right now is just building a little container to hold the cream cheese to give it a little solid base, all right? There you go. Got your little, I don't wanna call it a boat, your ship, your submarine, your Cadillac. I'm just using regular old, no name cream cheese. Doesn't have to be Philadelphia. It could be whatever the store has available cream cheese. The cheaper, the better. If you want to get a good deal on this dessert or this dip. All right. So break it out. The colder the dip, the better. Wish I had my gloves on. Touch the dip. Put the block in there like that. Get rid of that. Like I said, the colder, the better. Take the next one. Open that one up. Hopefully it comes out a little easier than the last one, because the last one was putting up one good fight. Oh, wow. Cream cheese. How many people love cream cheese? I know you guys like cheesecake. The people who are on keto, this is a very good thing for you to use, because cream cheese is used in a lot of desserts. So the first thing I'm gonna do, you got your block of cream cheese. I'm gonna put cinnamon on top of this one. And I'm gonna smoke it with the cinnamon. And then once it's done, then I will hit it with the Splenda. On all corners, make sure you get all sides, all right? And then anything just left over, you can just dump it off in the sink like that. And then for the other one, which is for the dip, you can use with crackers or chips. Like I said, I'm gonna use this smokehouse maple, which is also very good. You just cover it just like that. Got your little boat here so nothing falls off. Season all the sides. Now, once you got a seasoning, take the excess off. Now, to make it fancy, so when the people come over to your party or get together, you take it and you cut some nice little slits in it. Some nice slits. Wipe it off each time so you don't mess up the top of your cream cheese. Nice slit. I've already got my Traeger preheating at 225 degrees. See those nice slits? Can you see those? Then you come back the other way, slit it up that way. All right, there you have it, folks. Now you have a cinnamon flavored and you have a smokehouse apple maple flavored one. It's gonna be wonderful. Gonna put it on the pit at 225 degrees on the Traeger. And then I'm gonna show you what you do after it's all done. Folks, it's time to go get those cream cheeses off the pit. One for chips or one for, all of them for crackers. For desserts, if you have strawberries, whatever, you dip it in here. Let's go see what they look like. So they look absolutely great. So if y'all can see them real quick, let me get y'all up on close on here. That is the barbecue one. Barbecue smoke with smokehouse apple seasoning. And this is the one with cinnamon. You can see I sprinkled a little sugar on there. I wanted to try it with the sugar on there. And they look great. They freaking smell great. So I'm gonna get some crackers and I'm gonna try it. Good thins, gluten-free crackers. If you are, it says 26 grams of carbs, serving size 18 pieces. So as long as you don't eat too many, you can keto it. So one cracker is not gonna hurt. Let's try this barbecue one. Look, ooh. I don't know if you can see it. How it just broke up in there. Look at that. You see that? They're hot. Ooh, that tastes good. The smoke, the sweetness from the seasoning. As long as you don't put too much so it don't get too salty. Because cream cheese is your canvas. It'll take the flavors of whatever you put on it. That smoky barbecue one was freaking phenomenal. Now, let's try the sweet and see how that breaks up. See, like a little char right there? Ooh, it's so soft. It just soups right in there. See it? Look at that. Cinnamon, sugar, heat. See the smoke coming off there? Ooh, that's good. Cinnamon, the smooth cream cheese, the sweet hint of that Splenda or sugar, whatever you use, and this crispy gluten-free cracker. I gotta go in again on the cinnamon one. Look at that. Look how it just comes off. Look at that. Still hot. Oh, it blew the sugar off. See that? Merry Christmas. You gotta try it, folks. That is a great snack. You bring that to the event, I'm going way out of bounds. Bacon, cracker, barbecue on that side, sweets on the other side. Woo! Folks, I'm Derek from Vic's Cooler Chicken. It's another episode from the cooler. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace.